What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for jumping into another video with us. My name is Josh, and I am just an average Joe day trader. Guys, well, I wanted to drop another quick video. Just going to take a few minutes of your time and share with you something that I've been researching and doing a little bit of homework on that I think you guys might find interesting. I'm not really sure yet what to make of it, but I'm going to be monitoring this through the week, this coming week, starting May 19th, Monday, and watching it through the week to see what exactly happens. But I was watching some other YouTubers and had been doing some homework on two very specific companies. One is United States based in California, and the other one is actually Canada based. And what's really interesting is that these two companies have come up with an agreement to join forces, in essence, and are now going to be working together. Now, you might be surprised in what these stocks are, what these companies are. And back in the day, in my very early day trading start, I used to trade and be in a lot of the cannabis stocks before they were legalized in many of the countries and many of the states within the United States. There was a very high value for cannabis companies because of the fact that they were going to be released to become legal in many states. So first things first, these two companies I'm looking at, one of them is called Leeef Brands, Leef, Leeef Brands Incorporated. And Leeef Brands, actually, at the announcement last week of Leeef Brands and Glasf Brands, these two companies coming to a partnership, the stock on Leeef Brands went up 30%. Now, before you get excited and say, let me go look and see what Leeef Brands did, this is, in essence, a penny stock right now. Leeef Brands was up 30%, but its current cost per share is 17 cents, okay? And it was up to 25 cents at one point, but it was at 5 cents not too long ago. So you have to kind of look at this for what it is, guys. And this is one of those stocks, even the research I've been doing and the YouTubers talking about this have shared that this is not one that is a make money tomorrow, not one that is a get rich tomorrow, but is the potential there to make a lot of money? Yes. I believe, in my opinion, not financial advice, there's an opportunity to make money there. Now, I'm not telling you guys to buy stock, get into the stock, do anything with the stock. Please remember, do your own homework, do your own research, watch it for a while. There's some other stocks that I'm in right now that I'm waiting for the boom. I'm waiting for the explosion. ILLR, Triller Group, is one that I am in, and I'm watching and waiting. And I'm confident and know that one day that I'm going to wake up to a stock portfolio account with that trade and going to be making some money. This is Leeef, Leef, Leeef Brands. Take a look at it, and again, do your homework, do your research on it. The other one is Glasf Brands, and there's two tickers for Glasf Brands. The one main one that I've been looking at is GLASF, GLAS as in Sam, F as in Frank, and then their other one is GHBWF. So Glasf Brands is a cannabis company based in California that, in essence, grows cannabis, and they have all kinds of retail outlets for different type of cannabis products, gummies. I don't do any of the cannabis stuff, so I couldn't tell you all the things they do, but I know they have a whole line of retail, sales items that they sell, along with growing their own cannabis in glass houses, I guess the best way to put it. But them joining forces with Leeef, Leef, Leef has the ingredients that are needed for Glasf Brands to continue to grow cannabis, but outside of the United States, and then helping them with sales outside of the United States. So right now, the way the cannabis laws work, and I'm learning all of this as I do my research, is that anyone who grows cannabis or creates retail products with cannabis cannot sell outside of the United States. they must sell within the United States. There is potentially agreements that are happening, laws that are going to allow for inter-commerce sales. And if the inter-commerce sales are allowed, there's no restriction, then a company like Leeef in Canada, working with a company like Glasshouse brands in California, they're going to skyrocket. So again, there's still a lot more work to be done, a lot more research to be done. I can tell you that what I've found so far is that Glasshouse Brands is a $500 million company. They have had the last 4 years, 2022, 2021, 2022, they had a negative earnings. 2023 and 2024, they've been making money and they're profitable and big money. So it's a very successful company. And Leeef, L-E-E-F, is a company that honestly, a partnership like this can do nothing but help them grow. Glasshouse Brands, the main stock I shared, the GLASF, is running at $6 and some odd per share. And Leeef right now, like I said, is at 17 cents per share. So you have to think about it this way. You can buy a stock for 17 cents per share, even if you bought 100 shares of it, okay? I mean, think about it, guys. What kind of money is that? It's not much. And let's say it blows up in a week, a month, a year. If you hold it as a long-term hold, it might be something that's worth a lot more money down the road. Potentially worth it. All right. 17 cents per share. Again, I'm going to be looking at it Monday. I'm going to be monitoring through the week to kind of see what does it look like. I'm going to do some more homework and do some more research. I recommend you guys do the same thing. But the agreement itself caused it to spike up, showed that the market was happy about this agreement. And again, like I said, as soon as this intercommerce sales laws take place that allow for it, it could be a winner. Just wanted to share it with you guys. Again, please, not financial advice. Do your own thing. Read your own research. Do your homework. And make smart trades. And decide what your risk level is. It could be a dog too. It could be something that we buy into it, and that money, in essence, could go down, and it may never run. But I'm not talking about Glasshouse Brands. Although now I am trending it to see if it may be potentially a good day trade stock for us. But Leeef, L-E-E-F, there's a lot of potential there. So, guys, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Please hit the like button. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload a new video. And, guys, drop me a comment. Put a comment in. Even let me know how you feel about me sharing about Leef and Glasshouse Brands. Have you heard anything? What have you heard that maybe could help me in making some decisions about these two companies and their stocks? Guys, it's all about making money and getting rich. And maybe this is an opportunity to make more wealth and to build up getting richer. So, guys, thank you so much. See you soon. See you Monday after the market opens. Have a good day. Josh out. Peace.